So rice water is poisonous? Hey loves, it's Angelica aka Angie B, and welcome to my channel. If you are new on this channel, I do all videos about natural hair, a little bit of entertainment here and there, mostly beauty related though. So if you guys are interested in that kind of content, make sure you consider subscribing. The subscription button is right down there, as well as the bell icon. If you click that, that ensures that you get notifications every single time I post. I promise you will not be spammed. You'll just get one notification when I post. Without further ado, let's get straight into this because people keep asking me this question: is rice water poisonous? Well, if you would like to know the answer to that, then make sure you watch this whole video because everything I mention is very important and you most likely want to know. I'm going to answer it straight up. The first question: is rice water poisonous? The answer is yes and no. And the reason why is rice water contains arsenic. That's what everyone is trying to ask. Does it contain arsenic? What even is arsenic? So, does it contain arsenic? Again, yes and no, because it depends on where the rice is grown. So arsenic is a natural toxic substance that is in the earth, and it is a hard metal basically, and it is in small doses, and if you take high doses, yes, it can be poisonous and detrimental to your health. But before you come for the rice water, remember that the arsenic is grown into the rice. It's not something that's put in or like a powder that's put on top of the rice to preserve it. It is in the soil that's grown. So everything that is grown in that soil, whether it is apples, potatoes, it has arsenic in it. And most of the time, the places that have arsenic in the soil are places where there were cotton fields like a long time ago, because the cotton kind of attracts or creates more arsenic in the ground. So if those old cotton fields were turned into rice fields, which are mostly located in like Texas and the south of America, then that's where there will be lots of arsenic. But if you get rice from other places like India or like Africa, depending if you know where the rice is being grown, and just other parts of America are also safer. So I'm not sure if there's a place that has completely no arsenic in it, but if it does have a tiny bit, it's like something that would not even affect you in any way. But you know, at the end of the day, it's more like pick your poison. Everything has something that's like not good for you in it, whether it's organic or natural or whatever. But yeah, to keep it simple, that's the basic explanation. So now you might want to know, how do I remove the arsenic from my rice? The answer is simple: you cannot, because it is grown into the rice. I think I've seen a video. Okay, I've seen two videos. I saw one that said, stop using rice water, it's poisonous, or something like that. Like a long time ago, there's like a whole lot of red and signs on the thumbnail, and I tried to watch the video, and it seemed like this girl was just like yelling like, don't use it, it does this, and I was like, no, I can't listen to this. This is just like one of those like shock value kind of things, and it just wasn't really making any sense. But then I think I saw a different one. I really don't remember, but someone said you can like boil the arsenic out. No, you can't. Because if you boil the rice, whether it's like 10 times or whatever, to get all the arsenic out, you can probably get it out, but then you've also killed every other nutrient. Like if your boiling process is enough to take the arsenic out that is grown into the rice, all the nutrients are also dead. So there's literally no point. You're just wasting your time. So think about this also. The same rice water you're bashing is probably the same rice you're eating. There's no way to take it out. So if you're eating the rice, there's even more arsenic in that than just using the water. But what I'm trying to say is, know where you're getting your rice from, and it'll most likely have a very, very little amount of arsenic in it, especially if you get it from Asia. That's like the best place, I think. Or if you're getting it, depending, I don't know if they sell a lot of African rice online and where exactly. I just know specifically when I get Zambian rice, I have an aunt who has a farm, and she grows the rice herself there and everything. So like, it's not even like highly processed or anything. We just get it straight from the farm a lot of the time. So I know that rice is good. I have no worries. But if you're really worried about that, I would highly recommend that you order rice that is from Asia. And then this is another question lots of people ask: which rice is better in terms of it being less poisonous, if that's a problem, like red rice, black rice, brown rice, or white rice. Or white rice. Well, I would say red rice, because mostly it usually comes from Thailand. and usually black rice. Most of these colored rices, red rice and black rice, are mostly found in Asia, even if you're buying it online. So naturally, even if you got white rice from there, it would have less arsenic in it. And then the difference between brown rice and white rice is just that the brown rice has more nutrients and more fiber. But basically, if it's grown in the same place, it's still grown into it. There's no difference. So all in all, just buy your rice from a place where you know that you're more comfortable with it. There's nothing scary about rice water. Like I say, any product, as long as they work for me, if it has a bad ingredient in it, like a paraben or a sulfate, and my hair still reacts amazing to it, I'm just gonna ignore that. Because natural things, by the way, arsenic is 100% natural from the earth, and it's toxic. So just because something is like a great ingredient because it's great on paper, it doesn't mean that it has to be an amazing thing for your hair. I always say this: know what your hair likes. If you are one of those people who you can't take the risk, you're very highly sensitive to this kind of stuff and you don't want that headache, even if it makes your hair look good, hey, there are tons of products for your hair. You do not have to use rice water. I love rice water, so I use it. If it made me feel very uncomfortable and I didn't like the thought of arsenic being in it, then I just wouldn't use it. I'll give you an example of something that is amazing, but I don't use it. This is banana for my body. I can't stand to eat it, but like in my hair, there's this ORS conditioner. When I was relaxed, it used to come with the relaxer. I never found a big one, but I know they sell like full size bottles of this conditioner. That conditioner makes my hair feel so amazing. Like my hair feels extremely soft, extremely soft. But the scent of banana is so strong, I cannot stand it. Like, it makes me want to throw up. When I would use it, I knew it came with the relaxer, and I was like, okay, I'll just use it. I will find a way to mask the smell and just ignore it and wash it out. But now I'm like, hey, I've got so many other products that can probably do the same job or a better job. I'm not gonna be thinking about the smell of banana in my hair when I can just find something else. So no one's forcing you to use anything in your hair. If you feel like rice water is poisonous and you don't want to use it, don't let anybody, including me, tell you that there's no problem with it. Just use it. Just stop. It is as simple as that. Find something else that works for you and go about your day. So if you enjoyed this video and would like more videos that go in depth on what's inside products, like the chemical breakdown, then please let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment if you think you're gonna stop using rice water or not. By the way, if I didn't say it, I'm not stopping. Please comment in the comment section below. Hit my face right there if you'd like to subscribe to my channel and watch the 2 videos on the side of the screen right here. If you'd like to see any of my older videos, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.